السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلاب الصف الرابع الابتدائي، أهلا ومرحبا بكم في Connect 4 ترم 1. والنهاردة إن شاء الله هنشرح مع بعض Unit 3 Lesson 3 Science The Plant Cell. And this is Miss Nadia with you. And now let's go and recognize some new vocabulary. Plant, plant. Pollen, pollen. A flower, a flower. Seeds, seeds. Fur, fur. Stick, stock. Flute, flute. And now let's read. Read and the number. We have here 4 pictures, picture A, B, C, and D. And we have here some sentences. Let's read these sentences and find the correct picture. Number 1. A plant produces pollen in a flower. It uses pollen to make new seeds. The seeds travel away from the plant. The seeds need a new place to grow. Of course, it's picture D, and as you see, we have here some flowers, and the seeds are traveling here from place to another place. Number 2. Some seeds can move in the wind. These seeds are very light. Can you find the picture here? Of course, it's picture A. As you see, we have here some seeds. They are very light and they are traveling in the wind. Sentence number 3. Some seeds can stick to an animal's fur. The animals move and take the seeds with them. Can you find the picture? It's picture C. As you see, we have here a dog, and there are some seeds that are stuck on the fur of this dog. Sentence number 4. Other seeds can float on water to find a new place to grow. These seeds are usually big and light. It's very easy. It's picture B. And now we have here some questions. Work in pairs. Discuss these questions. Question number 1. How do seeds move to new places? How do seeds move to new places? As we read in the previous sentences, it's very easy. There are some ways. Seeds move to new places through the wind, through sticking to an animal's fur, or by wind. Question number 2. Why do seeds move to new places? Why do seeds move to new places? Of course, seeds move to new places because they need new places to grow, where they can find light, water, and nutrients. And now here we have a very interesting question. Look and circle, listen and check. Circle in blue seeds which travel by air. Can you find the seeds that can travel by air? It's very easy. Let's find the blue color. Of course, the seeds in number 1, it can travel by air. And then circle in red seeds which travel on animals. Let's find the color red and let's find the seeds that can travel on animals. Of course, it's number 2 and number 4. And then circle in green seeds which travel by water. Let's find the color green. Let's find the color green and circle the seeds which travel by water. We can find this seed and seed number 5. Okay. Let's continue. And now let's read about the plant cell. But let's recognize some new vocabulary. Microscope, microscope. Plant cell, plant cell. And now let's read about the plant cell. Look and read. Is a plant cell big or small? A plant is made of millions of cells. The plant cells are very, very small. Chloroplasts make the plant green. You can only see them with a microscope. The green plant cells make food for the plant. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. And now we have here some questions. Read the text again. Choose A or B. Question number 1. What makes the plant green? What makes the plant green? Is it the chloroplasts or the sunlight? Of course, it's the chloroplast. Question number 2. When does the plant make its food? When does the plant make its food? Is it during the day or at night? Of course, it's during the day because the plant needs the sunlight to make its food. Question number 3. What does the plant use to make its food? Do they use carbon dioxide and oxygen, or carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water? Of course, they need carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water to make their food. And now we have here some questions about this picture. Look, ask, and answer. Look at the photo. What can you see? What can you see in this photo? I can see some buildings and some plants and trees. Question number 2. Why do people grow plants near their homes? Why do people grow plants near their homes? What do you think? I think that people grow plants near their home to make the air clean. Question number 3. Do you have plants in your home? Why? As for me, yes, I have plants near my home. In fact, I have a field beside my home. There are a lot of important crops such as wheat, tomatoes, and maize. These crops are very important for our food. And now we have here another text. Read and listen to the text. How do plants make the air clean? Listen. How plants clean air. People need oxygen so we can breathe. In big cities, the air is polluted because of factories and cars. There is a lot of carbon dioxide in the air. Green plants take carbon dioxide from the air. The plant cells need carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. The plants also produce oxygen. Plants in our houses and parks give us oxygen to breathe. In some cities like Paris and Milan, people are growing plants on apartment buildings. These plants keep the buildings cool and help with air pollution. The people who live in the buildings can breathe cleaner air. And now we have here some questions. Read the text again. Match the words with the definitions. Polluted. What does this word mean? Polluted. Can you guess? Of course, polluted means dirty from factories and cars. Number 2, oxygen. Oxygen is a gas in the air that people need to breathe. What about carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a gas in the air that green plants use to make their food. And now let's practice. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, plants produce in flowers. Is it plants produce trees in flowers, or pollen in flowers, or roots in flowers? Of course, it's pollen. They produce pollen in flowers. Question number 2. Seeds which can move through air are very heavy, or are very big, or are very light. Think. Can you guess the answer? Of course, it's C, the letter C. Yes, seeds which can move through air are very light. And here we have some seeds can on water. Some seeds can float on water or stick on water or sink on water. It's very easy. Some seeds can float on water. And here we have another sentence. Some seeds can float on animals' fur or stick on animals' fur or move on animals' fur. Think, can you find the answer? Of course, it's B. Some seeds can stick on animals' fur. And now we have another question. Read the sentences and write T for true or F for false. Sentence number 1. The plant cells are very big. Is it true or false? Can you guess? Of course, it's false because the plant cells are very, very small. Sentence number 2. Chloroplasts make the plant green. Chloroplasts make the plant green. Is it correct? Is this sentence true or false? Yes, it's 100% true. Sentence number 3. The plant cells use oxygen to make food for the plant. Is this sentence true? Do the plant cells use oxygen to make food for the plant? No, it's a false sentence because the plant cells use carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. And now we have here another exercise. Rearrange the following to make meaningful sentences. We have here some words and you have to rearrange them to make correct and meaningful sentences. Number 1, need people breathe oxygen too. Can you put these words in order? Can you rearrange these words? Of course, people need oxygen to breathe. People need oxygen to breathe. Number 2, cell that needs plant to carbon dioxide, food, make plant for the. Can you think? It's a very long sentence. I know. The plant cell needs carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. The plant cell needs carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. How about number 3? Can air plants clean? Can you guess? Can you put these words in order? Yes, plants can clean air. Plants can clean air. We have here another question. Read and match. It's a very interesting question. Read and match. Number 1, air in big cities is polluted because of. Is it because of oxygen or sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to grow, or because of factories and cars? It's very easy. Air in big cities is polluted because of factories and cars. Number 2, plant give us. Can you guess? Oxygen or sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to grow. Of course, plants give us oxygen. Yes, plants give us oxygen. Number 3, plants need what? Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to grow. Again, we have here a very amazing question. Write a short paragraph of 4 sentences about plant cells. You can use the following guiding words. You can use these words to write your own paragraph. Millions, small, chloroplasts, food, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. You can pause the video and write your own paragraph, but I wrote a paragraph here. Let's read it together. A plant has millions of cells. A plant has millions of cells. These cells are very small. These cells are very small. Chloroplasts make the plant green. Chloroplasts make the plant green. These green plant cells make food for the plant. These green plant cells make food for the plant. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make the food. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make the food. And as you see, we used all these words. We used the millions and small and the chloroplasts and the sunlight and carbon dioxide and water. And we wrote here a logical paragraph and a scientific at the same time. And this is the end of our video. Study hard, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, bye bye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.